Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to teach you how to make this kind of door call. Okay, so you can see here the door call, we got something like rattan texture. So this is how we are going to make it. So now let's take up one universal cabinet. Okay, and then on top of height I'm going to use for 850. Okay. Alright, so for the door, I'm going to install door here. It's for a normal door. Okay, so we want to change the texture of the door. Okay, go to door, panel type, then you go to modeling door and take 90 degree. Okay, so you will have this kind of door in 90 degree straight door. You can only you can choose to search by using picture the image of the panel just now, or you can search for one by one. Okay, so if you search for one by one, you can use this one, the grid panel door. Double click. Okay, let me try it back. Right click, door, go to panel type and go to modeling door 90 degree. I'm using the next page on number 2. I'm using this one. Double click on it. So you can see when you render letter, you will have the same. Okay. Right. So that is how you change your core door by using from what we have in the library. Okay. So that's all from me. Thank you.